amazing floor plan for your trade show that works for both your exhibitors and your attendees? I'm Joanna Harvey from Map Your Show, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can create an amazing floor plan that works for the needs of everyone at your event. The first thing that you need to do when setting your floor plan is understand your expo space. So it's a great idea if you can schedule a visit to the venue prior to the event so that you can see it firsthand. You should also get a very detailed CAD file so that you can see the full layout of everything in that expo space. And then of course, it's always helpful to look at past events, both your past events and other events in that venue, to see what kind of learning that you can get. The next thing that you need to do is really understand your goals for the event. Is it to help enable networking? Is it to help enable product education or maybe new product showcase? Think about what you're trying to accomplish in that event space. You also need to think about how technology can help you build the ideal floor plan. And then also how you can connect it to other tools like an exhibitor directory, an exhibitor resource center, booth sales, and a mobile app. On Map Your Show, we're excited to talk with you about your event. Reach out in the contact us button below and we can get in touch with you.